Now your question is, here comes federal cavalry. Cavalry riding in a city today. And they're going to try to neutralize the artillery pieces, so it's going to be up to the Confederate cavalry now to try to stop the Union cavalry. Confederate artillery under attack at this time.
That's correct. One, two, three, four. One, two.
Feel ready? Gun left. Gun right. Fire!
Yank on it.
Punch it. There we go, Bill.
Yeah. Starboard side, port side clear. 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 Ready?